Welcome to Hydrobot, your new best friend on your personal hydration journey.
This is an LCD screen. It shows the different personalities and the temperature sensors output and the water level sensors output. We have two LEDs here, blue and red. Right now the blue is lit up. The blue will light up for water temperature below 30 degrees Celsius and the red for water temperature above 30 degrees Celsius. We have set the timer for the audio to be 1 minute because of demo purposes. In real life scenarios, we'll keep it to 1 hour. This is a button which we can use to push through different personalities. So we'll wait for to hear the happy personalities audio, and then we'll push the button.
We have our speaker through which the audio is going to be played soon. The speaker is connected to the L pin of the audio driver, and there are 4 GPIO pins in the audio driver that's connected to the ADMega. Since we did use a GPIO setup, those are the pins that we've used. The audio driver has 4 audio files that plays each of the audios depending on the personality mode that is chosen. And as Luba mentioned, the personality mode is changed using the button. The reason we used the audio driver instead of connecting the speaker directly to the ADMega is because one, this saves the audio files. It also converts the raw data files into audible files, and it's also better for memory management.
Okay, and then the temperature value and the water level values are obtained for the display from sensors placed inside the cap. Here we have a stack of five resistive analog water level sensors that we've lined up to cover the whole bottle. Inside we also see our infrared temperature sensor that communicates with the MCU through I2C. Each of the water level sensors communicates to a different channel on the ADMega's ADC muxer.
And now I'll talk about the power regulation. So we have 4 1.5 volt batteries that's put inside this case. Those batteries are connected to a linear voltage regulator, and that's connected to the ADMega, which is powering everything. All our sensors are using 5 volt, including the LCD, except for the water level sensor that's using 3.3 volt, and it's coming from the ADMega. I'll also talk about the mechanical casing. So we have this case which is 3D printed from the RPL lab, and some of the sizings and slicings were done from the garage lab. We also got it spray painted so that everything is color coded, including our breadboard and our casing, to a red color from the Venture lab. We have all our wirings color coded, some of them put together in heat wraps, and we have also tied it with zip tags. So yeah, all the mechanical casing essentially encases all the components exactly. We have a small hole for the speaker, we have other holes for the wires to get inside. As an extension, we would have it as an enclosed case, but for demo purposes, so that all the components are very clearly visible, we've left them open. We would have a latch system in case we would want an enclosed case mechanical setup. And that's our entire project. And that's our speaker just giving the SAD modality audio. So that's our entire project, which reminds us to drink water every 1 hour with an LCD setup, speaker, and all the other sensors attached to it. Thank you.
Awesome. All we're gonna do is gonna wait and show you guys all of the different personalities we have. Yeah. We might not have enough time to get through all of the audio files, but we'll show you all the faces.
This is the bored personality, which is also the DND personality. This is the only phase where we don't have any audio file. So this is for people who don't want to be disturbed. The audio files trigger is set to be a difference of, if there's a difference of less than 250 ml.